Brother Chuck, I think. How's it going? And I'm Jeff Hawkins, and this is Hawkeye Marine. I don't know, we just wanted to get out of there. I've been wanting to go fishing for a few days. But I can't. Anyway, I gotta get up here because we ain't really got the right prop just yet. He needs another prop. So I have to kind of sit up here to get it up on plane. But once we get it up on plane, she's a champion, so she's gonna get up and eat. I mean, it'll eat some water. But yeah, he's gonna put a new prop on it, and so probably gonna go down and see James at Performance Propeller, and he'll hook us up. But yeah, here we are. Alright, here we go. Here are the beans, Chucky. Alright, well, we haven't had any bites yet. I don't know. We're trying though. Probably the hardest part of the day. It's hot. Even though it's overcast. So, I don't know. I'm not going to sit and shoot video all day, but it's pretty nice back here. There's a lot of grass, matted grass and stuff. Probably a largemouth thing. But anyway, we'll maybe catch you later if we catch one. Well, Chucky caught a couple of real good ones. 3.5 pounder and I don't know, almost 3 pounder.
Both of them were 16 inches, but one was 16.5. So one was on a frog, the other was on a Texas rig worm. So they were both in about a foot of water.
Largemouth. Anyway, it was fun to just get out. Seems like these days we go out about every 2 weeks. So we're not out here every day, so it makes it tough, but I think we're gonna get out of here today and go make some supper and
get a graph up front. You know, I get a graph up front and I get this one boat network set up with a big coda. That's gonna be nice. Is that right?
Alright, here is all the stuff I tried the other day. Some worms, curly tail worms, kind of speed worm. Tried a lizard, another worm. These sometimes can be good when there's like the copperheads will have kind of a chartreuse tail. I tried that. I tried this. Probably all the wrong color. A little early for this yet. I think maybe more of a white would do it. Tried a frog. Bought a, I don't know. He caught a couple on, or one of them on a frog, and got some spider wire.